This application requires 1 full strip and 2 half strips of KT tape. Sit on a chair and cross your ankle over your knee. Flex your ankle in the upward direction. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Place your anchor on the underside of your heel, directing the tape up towards your calf. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end, and lightly stretch the tape towards the calf with one hand while smoothing it down with the other. Finally, apply the last 2 inches without any stretch, and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to ensure adhesion. Take 1 half strip, twist and tear the paper backing in the center. Being careful not to touch the tape, hold the ends of the tape between your middle and forefingers, and with your thumbs apply an even, moderate stretch. Apply this strip directly over the back of your heel, being sure not to stretch the ends. If needed, repeat with a second half strip and apply over other points of pain.
Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.